Hello students, in this video I will explain you about the elimination method of solving a system of linear equation. In my previous video I have explained you the substitution method, and today I am explaining you the elimination method of solving the system of linear equation. And it is two variable pair of linear equation, 1 and 2. If we take them individually, they will have the infinite many solution. But if you take them jointly, they have either a unique solution or no solution or infinite many solution. Here it is unique solution. The reason is a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2. That is 1 by 2 is not equal to 1 by minus 3. That we have already done in the previous part. Here we are solving this problem by the elimination method, and the main part of the elimination method is that we tries to make the coefficient of either x equal or y equal. I am taking x equal. So for that, if I multiply this by 2, we write on multiplying first by 2. When you multiply the first by 2, it is 2x plus 2y equals to 10, and we say this equation as equation number 3, which is the refined form of equation number 1. Now we will deal with the second and third. So here this is 2x and this is 2x. Here the term elimination comes. We will eliminate x by subtracting. So we write on subtracting equation number 2 from 3. From 3 we subtract. So it is 2x plus 2y equals to 10 and 2x minus 3y equals to 4. And you all know that when we are subtracting, the sign changes, that we have to change the sign. So when you change the sign, this 2x and 2x cancel, and this will be 5y, and 10 minus 4 it is 6. So the value of y is 6 upon 5. I hope this part is clear to you. Now the second part, as we have done in the substitution method also, on putting y equal to 6 upon 5 in the first, we can put the value of y equal to 6 upon 5 in the first or in the second or in the third. I am putting in the first one. So x plus 6 upon 5 equal to 5. So x equals to 5 minus 1 and 6 upon 5. So you take the LCM as 5. This is 25 minus 6. So value of x is 19 upon 5. So in this way we can solve a problem by the elimination method by equating the coefficient of any one variable, and then we can eliminate the thing. I am taking one more sum now. Now you see one more sum. In this problem, what you observe is, look at these two. If we want to make the coefficient of x equal, I am taking this method. We can make y equal also, but just now I am taking x equal. Then we have to multiply this by 2 and this by 3. When I multiply this by 2, it will be 6x, and when I multiply this by 3, it will also be 6x. There is one more method, and in that we can make y equal, but I am taking only the x equal. So you can concentrate only on the first method. That is also correct on its part. So the statement is on multiplying equation number 1 by 2 and equation number 2 by 3. So multiply. So when we multiply, this will be 6x, this will be 8y, and it will be 20. So we can say this as third equation. And the second is 6x minus 6y equal to 6. Now we subtract. We can say this as fourth one, and when you subtract it is minus, plus and minus. Think about the next step now. This 6x cancelled here. 8 plus 6, it is 14y, and this is also 14. So the value of y is 1. And as I told you, the second part is the same, or putting y equals to 1 in the first. We can put this in the first. So it is 3x plus 4 into 1 equals to 10. So 3x equals to 10 minus 4. So 3x equals to 6. So x equals to 2. So in this way we have got the value of x and y by using the elimination method. Now there are only two types of sum, I must say. In the first type we have seen just by multiplying 1 we got equal, or the second we have to multiply both. So these are the two type of, if by multiplying any one by any number, if it is equal it is okay, otherwise you multiply both. And here also we can use this exchange method also, that it is 3, then multiply this by 3 and this by 2, then automatically it will be equal. So this is the main part of the elimination method. There are similarly the problems are there in the exercise. You can try the same with the help of this particular problem. So I hope now the elimination part is clear to you all. Thank you. Please do more and more sums from this method. And try sum number 3 and sum number 4 also by this.